Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make white rice the Haitian way. First you need to add some oil in a warm pot, sorry. And then I'm trying to find something here. And then you add some you add one like root or I'll say, I don't know, although scallions. Alright? Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make white rice the Haitian way. So first you need to add some oil. You warm up your pot and you add some vegetable oil. Some people fry the scallion, but I just add a little bit of water and I just put the scallion in there. And I also added a little bit of complete seasoning. Now I'm adding some onions. And then I'm gonna add garlic, just about one clove. Alright, and then on this side here I already washed my rice. I usually wash them 3 times because I can't trust people. I don't know how they handle the rice and all that, so just for safety precautions I just wash it 3 times, everything I'm making. And there's a lot of starch in the rice. You know, sometimes you feel that if you don't eat rice, you don't have that, you know, your hunger is not satisfied. It's all the starch that is in the rice that is basically satisfying your hunger. So when you wash it, you reduces that amount because you don't need too much of it. Okay, and now that would be the same thing if you are making beans too. You need to wash it at least 3 times. And one thing about making rice, you don't want it to be soft. So right now it's boiling on medium heat. Alright, so you want to turn it around like this to make sure the rice is not stuck together. Alright, and just let it cook, and then see if we have the amount of water necessary. Alright, so we're just gonna let it cook. Okay, and I also added some bacon in there. Alright, add some butter and salt. And you don't want your rice to be soft, so you want it to be cooked but not soft. If you notice you use so much water, you can take a spoon like this and so just take the excess water, you know, and put it on the side. Alright, I don't have excess water, so in case you did, you just remove the excess water. Alright, so at this point when there's not much water left, the water is like drying up, so you're gonna cover it up for 5 minutes, and then you're gonna uncover it again for 2 minutes, and you fluff your rice. Then you cover it back again for 5 minutes. You're gonna fluff the rice with a fork. Now you cannot turn off your stove. And if it's still not cooked, then you would need you will need to cover it again. Okay, but in this case mine is cooked, like well cooked. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Okay, and this is a perfect way of making rice. Oh, and I'm making this with black beans. Wonderful. You guys should check out the recipe for black beans too.